A cat eat broccoli. What? Cat, tell me something about yourself. Why do you eat broccoli? Is it the butter in it? Or is it just that you just like it? Tune in next week on Awesum Vids to watch more cats like this. I'm totally got her new job. Alright guys, thanks again for watching more of my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Twitter.